তিনি দিল্লি Kwtalo মন্ত্রীয়করা ডাক্তার মানিক সাহা Tripura Bhawan Bir Tikendrajit Mark ni extension scheme no holongthaikai rwkha. Scheme ni bisingo kaidok khotol tai kai hol room kotor tangjaknai. Aro rangsobainani chongjakha khok 2000 rasai. Holongthaikai mani pandao manjakha Tripura Bidhan Sabha ni yakchu speaker Machang Ramchandra Pal. Holongthaikai mani pandao manjakha Tripura Bidhan Sabha ni yakchu speaker Ramprasad Pal, Rajya Sabha ni MP Rajiv Bhattacharya, Hoda Hamkrai Montri Tinku Rai, Kuchugrung Montri Kishore Burman, Sonamungtai Bania Montri Santura Chakma, Janjati Hamkrai Montri Vikas Deborma, Tai Khilberem Naikuni Montri Sudhanshu Das no khoboi MLA Bhawan Chandra Das, Tai CRC Manoj Kumar no khoboi juda juda nangmani adogrok.
Get the accommodation in our Tripura Bhawan, where security will be there, and moreover, they will feel very free to stay here. Activity is what one space where today we are going to lay the foundation stone. That is annexing of being together with Mark. You see, if you think for ourselves also, in my life several times during our student life or for some other purposes, for our children's too, we have visited Delhi several times. But because of lack of accommodations in Tripura Bhawan or some other reasons also, until and unless you belong to, because from Tripura people used to come to Delhi and there are lack of spaces in Tripura Bhawan. So I was roaming to and fro. I visited here and another this Tripura Bhawan in Kwtalo. So there are some restrictions also, because you cannot make the building too much high because of some security reason, So when I found that room, that space, I talked to the officers over here. Dormitories to support patients as well as students or any other purpose also. Estimated project cost is about 2.95 crore, about say 3 crore. Foundation stone for Tripura Bhawan in Rwkha also. I had to go to this Union Territories Lieutenant Governor, or you are supporter of that particular regime, you will not get the room. And that was there. So we have to hire some rooms in some hotels, and the places were very insecure too. People wanted that I should